Hello, you all. Say hi to my dog, Estrella. We need an outside shelter for her, so we use these wood pallets to build one. There she is, enjoying the first part of the building. Let me tell you what we did. I used 5 wood pallets, 2 heavy-duty tarps, drill, and wood screws. I also positioned some cinder blocks on the ground, so the shelter was not laying on the ground, but you could build it all the way on the ground. Let's see how the first stage looks like. There it is. You can see we wrapped it with the tarps and we put some sunshade as well. We're gonna keep building on it. This is just the first stage. I just wanna show you what you can do with 5 wood pallets and some imagination. Hey, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.